This is a 1-scoop order for Maddy. This is her second order with us. Thank you, Maddy. She's really hoping for a headband and soft plushies. She doesn't want any bookmarks or bricks. 2 notebooks. Plus 2 more. Two pens. Plus 2 more. One clear pouch. Plus 1 more. 1 sticky note. Plus 2 more. 2 scenery stickers. Plus 1 more. 1 sticker. Plus 3 more. 1 keychain. Let's exchange it for a plush keychain that she likes. 1 plush keychain. 2 headbands. 1 pencil case. Let's exchange it to a plush pencil bag. 1 plush charm. Plus 3 more. 1 claw clip. Plus 1 more. 1 hand towel. Plus 1 more. 1 mini charm. Plus 1 more. 1 card holder. Plus 1 more. 1 acrylic clip, but you know I'll make it 4. Okay, Maddy, that's everything for your order. I hope you love everything I chose. Thank you so much.